Hi guys! So today di ay kay magluto tag spaghetti. So magbayaw sa tag tubig pero kabalo mo guys. Wala biyang ko ay taklob. Nalibog na ako guys unsa akong itaklob oni guys. So trust the process nilang ta guys. So di na mag-open na ta guys. Bawal na ta magdugay-dugay ni gutom na ko. Na guys mag-open na ta guys. We're going to wait for this to boil up, but we're going to put some oil, 5 spoons of oil daw, and 1 spoon of salt. Since our oil is frozen, I don't know why, but we're going to try and try. It's not coming off. My God. Then now let's put some salt.
Nagkaro kayo na nakuparot na. Hoy pa.
So since it's my first time guys, it's really my first time to cook some spaghetti. So I'm going to need instructions from my father. And I hope that it's not going to go bad because it's my first time. Yeah. We're going to wait this until this boils up. So I think this will boil later on for about thousands of minutes. Wow, 1,000! It's going to boil later on. So we're going to wait up and we'll update you later. So we're going to prepare our sauce in our pasta, this pasta of course. Because the water is almost going to boil and look at our sa English ang taklob.
Ang takip.
Ang aming basta kani. We put it here because we don't have the taklob. You know what's a taklob? Pang takip. So we put it here.
Karaka.
The pan. It's a big karaha. You know karaha? It's a pan. So we're going to wait until it's going to be, you know, boiler and boiler, you know, okay. So let's wait up. So atin itong tanggalin. Pero boil na siya. So let's put the pasta now since it's boiling. This. We're not going to break the pasta because we're Italians. We're Italians. So let's just wait up for a moment so that we can put the whole pasta in so that it will tender. So let's mix this well. So I don't know what this father said earlier. Lapot, I don't know. Just let's mix this. So let's do this. Let's do this, guys. It's so hot, I cannot touch it. Wow. Now let's put it here so that it's going to drain it. So this is a final product. It's okay now. So we're going to cut some things. So we have corned beef. We tanggal the wrap around because it's not, yeah. So we have 2 corned beefs, and I'm going to open it up later on because I know how to open it up. And I am good at it, so let's go. Alright, we have a onion, bombay, or yeah. So let's go. Gonna? So let's cut it all up. Puro. Gagmay yun yung Mumbai. Ikat, ano na ako na sikat din ito nga.
Ano naman itong buwan? Kuwan mo kuwan.
So let's cook first let's put some oil and the onion. We don't have the garlic because we forgot to buy it earlier. Then we'll put the corned beef, I think, then the sauce. After that, then water, 2 waters. So let's do this. So let's put some oil for the spaghetti sauce. Tell me when to stop.
Oh, stop.
Ang hotdog mo? Nakalimutan namin ang hotdog. Kasi na naman nun guys.
Nilipin pa mo, anak.
So this is our ingredients for today's vlog. For today's spaghetti, the strings, the pastas, the hot dog, since we're Filipinos with the hot dog, the corned beef, of course, the cream, the sauce. This is a cheese sauce, I think. 3 cheese overload. Then the condensada.
And the EVAP.
And the evaporada. Yeah, so that's it. So let's cook na! So let's put the onion because it's hot na. So let's put the corned beef na guys. Namawag ko yung bad memories ani guys, manang di ako ganahan guys. So let's mix it, mix. So next, let's put the hot dogs. Let's mix it because hot dog needs to be cooked. That's why it's called a hot dog. So this is my first time trying this. First time cooking spaghetti even though my father is there. So wish me luck. Namalibi ako ganina sad. Kabulo mo guys. Namali na ako butang ang spaghetti guys. Wala ko ni katag. Gusto nyo ni papa. Wala ko kasabot ato guys. So let's put this spaghetti sauce.
Okay.
So let's mix the evaporada. Condense. Condense. Make it. Then let's put the cream.
Sinulot lang. Mix together.
Mix na. So let's add some water. Yun na lang, stop. Yeah. Ilunod na ito guys.
Ano ba ito?
So that's it for today's vlog and our spaghetti is done. So thank you for watching everyone. Please watch our New Year party video. Thank you.